Hello, my dear pupils. I'm glad to see you today. I'm an English teacher, Жанара Булатбековна. I'm a teacher of school Lyceum named after Alihan Bukikhanov. Let's begin our lesson. Today's my lesson is for the 5th grade. We will start a new module called Sport. There are given lesson objectives. We understand the main points of supported extended talk on a range of general and curricular topics. Communicate meaning clearly at sentence level during peer group exchanges and use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and syntax to talk about a limited range of general topics. So, look at the pictures, please. What do you think? What will be our today's topic? Think carefully and look at the pictures. Yes, you are right. Today we are going to talk about sports and activities. Our today's theme of the lesson, sport and activities. Open your books at page 97 and go to do exercise 1. There are given different kinds of sport activities. Now we are going to listen and repeat.
Badminton, water polo, rugby, football, basketball, cricket, hockey, tennis, swimming, cycling.
Yes, there are different kinds of sports and activities. And I have a question for you. Which of these words are similar in your language? Please listen and answer. Okay, let's do next task. Our next task is exercise 2. How often do you do these sports? Tell your partner. Use adverbs of frequency. So, before starting to do this exercise, just remind about usage of adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency can be used with the present simple to tell us how often something happens. For example, he usually walks to school. How often? Usually. Some of these are always, usually, often, sometimes, never. Adverbs of frequency go before the main verb but after the verb to be. Example, he usually goes to bed late. She sometimes gets up early. She's always early. You should make sentences using adverbs of frequency. Okay, pupils, go to the next page. Page number 98. Now, there you see the text. Before reading the text, let's predicting content of the text. You should read the title and the subheading and look at the picture. What is the text about? So, I hope it is clear. Our text is about School of Sport. Let's read out the text. If you want, you can read by yourself. Also, you can listen audio script. Okay, listen carefully and read with us.
Glasgow School of Sport. The Glasgow School of Sport isn't like other schools. It is Scotland's first school for sports. What is a sports school? At a sports school, there are school subjects like maths, English, science and geography, but every day the students also do sports. At the Glasgow School there is badminton, hockey, swimming, athletics, or gymnastics to choose from, so it's never boring. How many students are there? There are 1,100 students at the school, and a lot of them are very good athletes. Every year they win competitions for their school and for Scotland. What's next? Many students from the Glasgow School become athletes. They take part in important competitions like the Commonwealth Games and the Youth Olympics. Student Michael Jameson got a silver medal for swimming the 200 metres at the London 2012 Olympics.
Very good. I think everything is clear. Let's do exercise 2B. You should find 4 school subjects and 5 sports in the text. Then you should write in your copybooks. Okay, it was our task from book. Pupils, it's time for the feedback. The planner game calls Give Me 5. Okay, name 2 things you have learned today. 1 activity you liked most of all. 1 activity you didn't really enjoy. And 1 area you need to work on. Your homework will be compare your sport activities and make at least 5 sentences. There is given example. In tennis and football, players need a ball. We can do biking and play tennis inside and outside. Something like that. You should make at least 5 sentences and compare different activities. I have additional task for you. You should follow the link and play online game. Let's go to this link. So, for example, there are different kinds of games. You should find out word. For example, I choose soccer. I find this word. Okay, you should do it by yourself at home. That's it, our today's lesson. I hope you have enjoyed our lesson and you learn a lot of things. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.